Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so if you guys see today the market has recovered like a very good recovery this was. Okay, so I was not expecting this kind of a recovery today. In fact, I took one position here that was here at 9:15. I shorted it immediately because of this indecisive candle. I shorted it immediately and it exactly got executed here, and to be honest, this was my stop loss. I had 100 point of stop loss because I wanted to take this forward. Okay, so because I wanted to take it forward, I had 100 point of stop loss and I was expecting a very good downside momentum rally, but market gave me very big SL in the morning itself. It gave me a very big SL, uh, which is fine because we've been capturing big profits, so one loss is, it's okay, it's totally fine. So tomorrow, what are the plans for tomorrow? Okay, see, is this a profit booking or is this a what to say? Is this a negative market? Come on, guys. This was a very big negative fall. Okay, if you guys see, this fall was epic. Whoever captured this would have made nice money, but everybody can't capture this is because they don't have the right setup. Even I was not focusing on one specific setup, which my mentor has taught me. But tomorrow, most probably, I'm looking forward to check that strategy, which is helpful in volatile markets. Okay, this is a volatile market. If you see, market moved from its all-time high to 400 point down, and from 400 point to it again moved around like 300 points up. So it is crazy volatile. Okay, like up down up down. It's just going everywhere. So tomorrow, what is the plan? Tomorrow, if the market somewhere, if it shows any negativity near 21,330, I will be looking forward to short it, but in a very small quantity, uh, or I'll be shorting it. Okay, this is the place I'll be shorting it, or 21,000, 21,000 and 21,015. These are the two places I'll be looking forward to short it. If it goes positive, let's see, if it crosses 21,360, 370 and all, there is a very high probability it can go to its new high. So let's see how it works. So this is the plan for tomorrow for Nifty. Okay, so next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, this is a very solid resistance. So it has faced a resistance here and now it's back down. This looks like an M pattern on top. Some people will see it as a W pattern and some people will see it as M pattern. If if we see it like this, this is an M pattern. Okay, and this is a neckline has to get broken and then it has to come down. If it doesn't happen like that, then we can't short it anywhere here. We cannot short aggressively. Some people see it like this, but this should happen on a support. This is not a support. Okay, this is not a support place. This is a support. Okay, this is a support. This is not a support. So they're expecting an up momentum is not something, right? So only if it crosses 47,009, 47,000 and 970 or 980 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy this on Bank Nifty, and I'll be selling it exactly at 47,000 and 625 or 627. These are the locations I'll be looking forward to sell this. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, today we had a trade here at 230 something. We had a trade here, we entered it, we captured this momentum fully, and then we stayed out of the market. Now we are again getting a good short position here. See, market is up, but this is a negative candle. Okay, if this gets engulfed totally, okay, if this candle gets engulfed totally, I won't be buying it, I won't be selling it. If it struggles, yeah, I'll be definitely looking forward to sell this. So this is how my trade's gonna look. So I'm gonna keep a 25 point stop loss and I'm gonna trade this. Okay, so till this will be my target. 1:4 will be my target. So this is for US oil, but US oil also had a very good momentum in the morning. It went up, then crazily it came down. So market is everywhere, guys. Okay, it's just going crazy everywhere. So be cautious when you're trading. And I have squared off all my positions, whichever personal trades I have. 9:15 in the morning itself, I just logged in and I started squaring off all my positions. 1-2 positions of mine were in cost to cost and others were in profits, so I don't have any issues. Even the big loss for me today, which happened in Nifty, is totally covered in that profit, so it's not a big deal. Now I'm looking forward to short this US oil. Let's see how it goes. Then next is gold. Our key level was crossed. Okay, here crossed here, we entered we entered and it hit a stop loss. Again, second time it crossed here, we entered and again it hit a stop loss. See here, I kept my SL below this red candle. Okay, it came exactly, took it and went. See, this is how market is sometimes, guys. It is too ruthless. It's going to give you losses. Okay, you can't do anything about it. Market is definitely going to give you losses, but keeping your losses on your what to say, on your level, that is not losing too much, is the best thing you can do to yourself when you're in the markets. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I don't have any new swing trading stocks for today also, because I want market to decide a direction and then I'm looking forward to buy it or sell it. Okay, so that's it for today's videos. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.